The programming code of amism ideology. Humans so far not discovered one ideology that covers the totality of universe. Even if someone try to discover one, naturally it will create some kind of fear to what already existing. When fear and prejudices makes the thought memories stagnant, often individuals exhibit fight mechanisms, and if fight mechanisms does not win, most people exhibit flight mechanisms. This is why we are not getting so-called the ideology covering everything. Actually, amism ideology is based on programmings. If you know the programmings of the entirety of universe, things will work more than you expected. For example, if you bought an innovation setup machine from a market, as time progresses, you learns all its programmings. Then suddenly the initial imagination of what you expected from the machine completely changed from the final picture. This is why amism ideology gives much importance to so-called programmings of universe and time. Focusing on the time, if you have process of long run time, the outcomes lasts for long run time periods. Periodic rhythms makes it effortless, ups and downs combined processes. That means outcomes are time-based. The much outcome of one person is much lesser outcome of the other. All outcomes provide certain rewards. This is actually good rhythms of tunes, in a way creating in the internal and external environment. That means if someone wants to make everybody having good outcomes, rewards, victories, harmonious existences, it is time-bound. Nothing is permanent and everything changes with time, so the increasing outcomes of individual matter can only be made uniform by acting upon the timely boundaries. The energy-based programmings is the next focus of this ideology. That is another reason why it covers the universes. The combinations energy-matter theory and the transformation energy-time theory, distribution energies theory and innovation creation energy theory that conserves the reaction time of further universe actions. Everything mutually interdependent and correlated. False energies have to be made good and productive, through proper matter combinations. After reading all these, if an individual can imagine about singular so-called diversified individual existence of matter combination reward energies, you have understood the ideology. Then only the productive programming energies become active.